Hi everyone, let's begin to solve this math problem. First, we have to work inside the parentheses. 3 plus 1 equals 4, and there is multiplication here. 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20, and 20 divided by 20 equals 1. But this is not correct answer, because according to the order of operations, first we have to begin to work inside the parentheses, then exponents, after that multiplication or division, and finally addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priority, that's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And according to this rule, first we have to, and same rule applies for addition and subtraction. According to this rule, first we have to work inside the parentheses. 3 plus 1 equals 4, and we have to copy the rest part of the problem. 20 divided by 5 multiplied by 4. And according to this rule, first we have to work this. 20 divided by 5 equals 4 multiplied by 4. And 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16. This is our correct and final answer. We can copy this answer here. 16. That's all. Thank you.